tides of waste. Plastic crowns its ancient grace. The ocean groans a bitter tale.